Om Swastiastu. Pertama-tama izinkanlah saya, Era Duyanti, mengucapkan salam. Nangun Sat Kerti Loka Bali. Pola pembangunan semesta berencana menuju Bali Era Baru. Well, good morning class. How are you today? I hope everybody is in good condition. So are you ready to start the class? Yes, let's start the class now. Before starting the class, I would like to ask you, have you ever asking for help? Or have you ever offering a help? Yes, I believe everybody ever asking about it. So today we are going to learn about how to offering a help. So for more explanation, please have a look at this video.
How can I help?
Will you take me to the toilet, please?
Of course. Do you want to go now?
Yes, I need to go now. Will you help me out of the chair first?
Sure. Give me your arm and I'll help you up. That's right.
Thank you.
Can you stand up, please? There you are.
Can you take me to the toilet, please?
Yes. We'll go now. Do you want to go to the dining room afterwards?
No, I won't go to the dining room today. I don't feel like eating lunch.
All right. But it's very hot today. You should have a drink.
Yes, it is very hot. I'll have a glass of juice in my room later.
Good idea.
Well class, after watching the video, I hope you can understand about how to offering a help. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and see you next time. Om Santi 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 Om.